Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Makeup and cosmetics names. Toner, toner. Mirror, mirror. Brightener, brightener. Makeup kit, makeup kit. Nail polish, nail polish. Lip gloss, lip gloss. Lip liner, lip liner. Face powder, face powder. Eyeliner, eyeliner. Eyeshadow, eyeshadow. Lipstick, lipstick. Mascara, mascara. Cleanser, cleanser. Tanning lotion, tanning lotion. Bronzer, bronzer. Lip balm, lip balm. Face cream, face cream. Concealer, concealer. Cotton pads, cotton pads. Blush, blush. Brush, brush. Foundation, foundation. Moisturizer, moisturizer. Primer, primer. Beauty blender, beauty blender. Listen, repeat, practice. Thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.